Okay, my beautiful friends, it is me, Gregory Mannarino, and this is my newest segment of Markets to Look Ahead. It is Sunday, December 13th, 2020. I almost forgot for a second. All right, look, here's the story. Big week ahead. Why? We have the freak show Federal Reserve meeting, and they're going to, try to, whatever. They're going to try to keep the same narrative. Things aren't so bad. More easy money coming. That's the story. It's the endless story. It's not going to change here. But again, whatever comes out of Yellowstain's mouth, you know who Yellowstone is. It's unbelievable, really. It's the characters that are involved in the current leadership positions. We got Yellowstone, Jay Powell, Fed chairperson. We got Yellenstein, soon to be Treasury Secretary. You can't make this stuff up. You can't do it. This is some kind of twisted theater, people, and you all know that. Now, I don't want to get all uppity here, but that's really the case. So come this week, we're going to hear from the freak show. The number one freak show on the planet is the Federal Reserve. And the Federal Reserve is running the entire circus act across the board around the world, not just here in America. They are the central bank of central banks. The U.S. dollar remains the world reserve currency. The dollar is dying by design of the Federal Reserve. You all know that. And a new set of rules is coming. A new set of rules is coming like you have no idea. Whatever you think you see right now, whatever's left of the old world America, this new world order that we are in now, whatever you are seeing now is going to be unrecognizable in a short period of time. This is incredible. What we are witnessing, what we are seeing. And again, they're going to tell you, look here, look here. Don't look here. That's the whole scenario. Keep people distracted. Keep them propagandized. Get them angry, divided. Don't let people realize that our power resides in us coming together. They can't allow that. They must keep a group of people here and a group of people here. The smart ones are in the middle. Period. The freaking end. Okay. So let's look at this market. The volatility here has been frankly off the Richter scale. As you all know, I got whipsawed out of 2 trades last week, 2 back-to-back losses. I haven't had 2 back-to-back trading losses, and I can't even remember when the last time was. So I have switched up my strategy here, going from swing trading to intraday trading. For you lions out here, I just put out an updated version of my Lions Gate system. It's 100% free. Just click the link to my newsletter. It's in the description of this video. Have a look at this. It's very powerful. Trades on a 15-minute timeline. We get in and out, and we rip this market's face off. I used it on Friday. 2 intraday trades. I made up for most of my losses on the last 2 swing trades I got whipsawed out of. We can't be beaten. It's impossible. If the market is going to be volatile like this, we're going to switch our strategy. If they're going to punish precious metals, good. We're going to buy more. Let's talk about cryptocurrencies. What a major reversal. Bitcoin is back about 19.5 right now, 19,500, and going much higher. Cryptocurrencies are going higher. For all you freaks out here who continue to tell me that I'm wrong, since I recommended buying Bitcoin at $2,700, since that time I've been told over and over and over, and it continues today, even this morning, that I'm wrong on Bitcoin. Are you people out of your freaking ever-loving minds? Okay? 2,700, 19,400 or 500. Greg's been wrong. Really? You can't make that stuff up either. I don't understand you people. Sure, stay in the dollar. That is a dying asset. That's all I have to say. You want to stay in the dollar? I'm going to eat your lunch for you. I promise you, just like I have been. Okay? Me, my lions, my fellow crypto investors, those of you out here that are betting against the debt, becoming your own central bank, understanding the monster debt bubble that we are in, this stock market that is completely disconnected from reality. No matter how you want to look at it, this market is so sick, twisted, bent out of shape, valuations in super bubble territory. I mean, the stock market is a super bubble on the back of the ultimate bubble, built on the back of the ultimate bubble, which is the debt market. And the debt market bubble is going to expand. Again, let's look at the Federal Reserve's freak show balance sheet. In March, it was 4.1 trillion. Now it is 7.5 trillion. You can't make this stuff up. As long as the Federal Reserve's balance sheet continues to inflate, what do you think the stock market's going to do? Go lower? Really? No, it's not going to. And I know there are some kind of other freak show YouTube channels out here with subs, more subs than I have, trying to tell people to short this market, telling people the market's going to crash this week. They have imbecile guests on their shows trying to convince you that this market is going to crash tomorrow. And all they're doing is creating people that are losing. And this channel right here is about winning. If you want to win, you stay here. If you want to lose, go listen to those freaks over there. That's all I have to tell you. I've kept all of you on the right side of this market for so long. It's frankly unbelievable, even to me. And I just have an understanding of this market, I think, that is pretty acute. Why? Because I study it all the time, around the clock. It doesn't stop for me. This is not a part-time job. This is all I do. The markets, the markets, the markets, the markets. You understand? So go listen to the other freaks if you want to. You shouldn't be here then, because you're going to get a completely different message from me. Yes, this market is going to correct to fair value at one particular time, and it's going to be beyond epic. But it's not going to start in the stock market. It's going to start in the debt market. Like I've explained to all of you, it's the debt market that has inflated a stock market bubble, that has reinflated a housing bubble. It will be the debt market that blows up, that causes every other domino to fall. You understand? So focus your attention on the debt market. Focus your attention on the Federal Reserve's balance sheet, which is ballooning. They're going to bring this down by design. Everything around you is going on by design. The shutting down of the economy, restaurants, everything else. The merger between corporate entities and this new American government, this new world order. This is all by design. It's been in the works now for over a century. All right? And nothing can stop it. Either you can sit back here and let it destroy you, or you can weaponize it. This channel here, me, I'm about weaponizing the game against those that are trying to take you out. Ain't happening. It's not happening on my watch. I've told you this over and over again repeatedly. I will not let that happen. I don't care. They'll have to take down my YouTube channel in order for that to happen. Will they take down my YouTube channel? Maybe they will. Until that time, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to tell you exactly the way it is, as straight as I possibly can. And that's it. So anyway, look, I know I get kind of bent out of shape about these things, but look, people, I don't know what to tell you. Open your eyeballs for a split second. Engage your brain. Engage your freaking brain. You have one. You have an intellect. Use it. Okay? Either you want to get sucked into their distractions, their propaganda, their misinformation, or you can see through it all. And that's what this is all about, seeing through the charade. I don't know another way to put it either. Anyway, look, so I do expect volatility to continue in this market. I will intraday trade this market using my Lions Gate system. Again, free to you and anybody else on the freaking planet who wants it. All you got to do is subscribe to my free newsletter. There's a link in the description of this video. Very shortly, people, and I already said this, if you go to my website, traderschoice.net, there's a link to the quant system. I will be taking down the quant system. I said a few weeks ago I was going to take it down, but it got downloaded like hundreds upon hundreds of thousands of times, so I've left it up there. But I am going to take down the quant system. It's free, so get it for yourself. Again, go to my website right here. There's a link in the description of this video. TradersChoice.net. Download the quant system. It's free. It's going to come down extremely shortly and without warning. And when it does, because I'm telling you right now, I'm not putting it back up and you will not be able to get it. So either you get it now or you're going to lose. So get the quant system. I'm replacing it with the Lionsgate system. And it's coming down very shortly. Again, go to my website, TradersChoice.net. All right, look, pretty much that's it. Long video, covered a lot of things here. Let's watch for volatility in this market to continue. Let's watch or listen for whatever comes out of Yellowstain's mouth this week. Look for the distractions. Look for the propaganda, the look here, the don't look there. This is it. This is it. But understanding the environment that we are in, people, is our power. It is our strength. And this is why we can't lose. We have an absolute winning formula across the board. Whether you're trading this market, whether you're stacking metals, whether you're holding cryptocurrencies, that's it. We know the game and we can play it better than anyone else. All right. I'm out of here. This guy here loves you a lot. Please, if you thought the video was important, share it. Get it out there. All right. We're a team and I'm counting on you. See you tomorrow.